Welcome to today's lesson. In this video, you'll learn the names of some common edible saltwater fish with clear pictures, meanings, and pronunciation. Let's begin. Edible saltwater fish. An edible saltwater fish found in tropical and coastal seas, commonly used in cooking for its delicious taste. Tuna. A large, fast-swimming fish with firm flesh, found in warm seas and eaten fresh or canned. Yellowfin tuna. A large type of tuna that has some yellow fins, or the flesh of this fish famous for steaks and sushi. Salmon. A medium-sized silver-colored fish that lives in the sea but swims up rivers to lay their eggs. Its pink flesh is very popular for healthy meals. Mackerel. A shiny sea fish with greenish-blue bands on its back. It has a strong taste, is rich in oil, and is often grilled or smoked. Pilchard. A small, oily fish found in the sea, often eaten fresh or canned. Sardine, also known as pilchard when fully grown. A small, young, oily sea fish similar to a pilchard, but slightly smaller, that is either eaten fresh or preserved in tins or cans. Snapper, red and white. A saltwater fish with firm, tasty flesh. Red snapper is reddish in color, while white snapper is silvery white. It lives in warm seas and is popular for cooking. Grouper. A large fish with a big head, wide mouth, and firm flesh that lives in warm seas, often used in curries and grilled. Coal. A mild-tasting white fish from cold seawater, famous for fish and chips. Halibut. A large flat fish with white meat, often baked or grilled. Pomfret. A deep-bodied, silver-colored sea fish with soft flesh, very popular in Asian dishes. Sea bass. A mild-flavored fish found in coastal waters, loved for its tender texture. Branzino. A mild-flavored saltwater fish, also known as European sea bass, found in the Mediterranean Sea and often grilled or baked. Flounder. A flat sea fish with both eyes on one side of its head, good for frying or baking. Herring. A long silver-colored fish that swims in large groups, found in cold seas, often pickled or smoked. Bluefish. A strong flavored fish with blue-green skin, found in warm seas, that is caught for food and sport. Butterfish. A small, soft-textured sea fish with rich, buttery flavor. Swordfish. A large, long sea fish that is often eaten as grilled or smoked, with a very long pointed part like a beak at the front of its head. John Dory. A flat saltwater fish with a mild taste and firm flesh, has a black oval mark on each side. Marlin. A large ocean fish with a pointed bill similar to swordfish and eaten grilled, which is a highly prized game fish. Anchovy. A tiny, oily, shoaling sea fish of commercial importance, used both as food and as bait, often added to sauces, salads, and pizzas. Sea bream. A red or silver-colored sea fish with sweet, firm flesh, popular in Mediterranean cooking. Edible shark. A large, fast-swimming sea fish that has sharp teeth and a pointed fin on its back. Some small species are edible, but many are protected. Thanks so much for watching. If this was helpful, be sure to leave, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.